Hi there. My country is Saudi Arabia, and the topic is promoting sustainable entrepreneurship and business. While oil is not environmentally sustainable, Saudi Arabia has made some contributions to fighting climate change. The kingdom implemented its first environmental law in 1992. The Presidency of Meteorology and Environmental Protection Act. The scale measures both environmental health and ecosystem viability. The private sector's role in encouraging entrepreneurship. Provide easy access to small business loan and or grants. Host a small business day. Get organized, get social. Do you know how Saudi Arabia is polluted? Contributors to poor air qualities in Saudi Arabia include vehicle emissions, industrial emissions, and dust storms. Seasonal variations in pollutions exist with the highest level in spring, March to May due to an increase in the storm. What is the best contribution of entrepreneurship? So, there is a very important role for entrepreneurs to spark economic development by starting new businesses, creating jobs, and contributing to improvement in various key goals such as GDP, export, standard of living, skills development, and community development. How does entrepreneurship contribute to the economy? Entrepreneurs boost economic growth by introducing innovative technologies, products, and services, increased competition from entrepreneur challenges, exciting firms to become more competitive, entrepreneurial activity of firms and economies. That's all for today. Thanks for your kind cooperation. Have a nice day.